What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. And today we got the Bimmer again back in the shop and we're going to do some maintenance. She hasn't run for over 2 years, so it's time for some fresh oil, some fresh filters and some fresh spark plugs. We let her run, let her warm up, so the first thing that we're going to do is change out the oil. The next thing that we're going to do is remove the air mass control module and the air filter because we need to change out the spark plugs. Okay, so we just finished the spark plugs and put a new air filter in it. So start her up and check if she runs any better now. Okay guys, so we finished almost the complete tune-up. The only thing that was missing at the auto parts store were the spark plug cables, but those will coming very soon. We also checked the car if she will pass the inspection. Everything looks nice and sound, the bearings have no play or whatsoever. But we noticed that the headlamps are full with water. So that's something that we need to fix. So we got one side loose, a lot of water came out. Now it's time to remove the other side as well. Okay guys, so we got a major issue with our headlamps. We need to have some new headlamps because the reflector inside the headlamp has gone completely bad due to the water that has been inside the headlamp for a long time. So we would love to show you that the car is completely finished and that she's ready for the inspection, but unfortunately the headlights came up and we also need some new spark plug cables as well. With that being said, we need to wait on parts. Hopefully you like our videos. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thank you all for the love and support, and hopefully we can fix this Beamer as soon as possible.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.